Growing trees in an urban environment can be extremely challenging. So once that plant is established, it really represents a large value to the property and cannot be easily replaced. We were called to this property today to preserve a beautiful Japanese maple. This house is slated for demolition and a new house will be built in its place. And the homeowner was really attached to this tree. It's really a remarkable specimen and not something that can be easily replaced. How do you move a large ornamental tree like this? Well, the answer is it has to be done very carefully and with precision to ensure we are preserving as much of the root mass as possible so that it can thrive in its new location. Using our air spade equipment, we excavate the soil and move it away from the root system, exposing that root structure, and then we can go in and make precision root pruning cuts in order to separate those roots from the existing soil and be able to transport it into the backyard. This property has extremely sandy soils, and this presents certain challenges for us. A lot of those roots are diving deep into the ground because of those sandy soils. They're looking for water that are at lower depths into the soil profile. So we really have to make sure that we go deep with the air spade and get right underneath that root mat in order to lift that tree successfully out of the ground. Once we get the tree out of the ground, the next step is to prepare its new planting location. Transplanting a tree is not easy and it's hard on the plant. There will be stress associated with that transplant. When we're preparing the planting pit, we want to ensure that those soils are properly amended. So we will add our custom compost and then a series of liquid treatments including sea kelp, mycorrhiza, and humic acid. These nutrients and soil conditioners are a key part of the success of that plant in its new home. When changes come up in your urban landscape, transplanting can be a great solution for preserving a really special plant on your property and moving it to a new location for you to enjoy. I'm Tate Sala with Cohen Master Tree and Shrub Services. Thanks for watching. Be good to your trees.